So this is a Power Kitty Junior. This is sold by Aldi and is 19.99, so £20 practically, around $27, $30, something like that. And I got it because I wanted to see if they can be used to interact with the kitten. We have a kitten and I just want to see that if it is effective at that. For making it less strange and alien to them, I will use some sprays of Feliway, which is a kind of like an armpit of a female cat, so it makes it at home for them. So hopefully it will help it to be accepted. So there are two sticky things here, 1, 2 for sealing it. There is another one here and another one here. If you do that, hopefully that means you will be able to open it. There must be one here also, somewhere that you can. Probably, let's just see. Yeah, 2 at the bottom also. So let's just do that. So 2 here also, so it will be easy to open, hopefully. I will open it and I will show you. Yes. Done. So you pull it out like that. You can use this box as a display or like a home theater, just to have fun. So if you undo these ties, you will get the control, what battery it takes. Okay, 2 AAA batteries. So the one that you work with the remote control of your TV will fit probably here easily. The only thing is that you have to use a screwdriver to open this. There is something else here, which I suspect maybe is a battery. Let's just see. Oh, hallelujah. I know as a kid that is so disappointing when you get something and it doesn't have the battery included. So battery is included here. And the screwdriver like the ones that people use for the glasses, and we had just by accident one here in our toolbox. So you can use this, and this is good. It has a screw, so by accident it will not fall out. And these are the 2 batteries that came with it, so I'm just putting it back. And the good thing is that you can charge it. It's a 400 amp lithium battery. So you can charge it with the USB cable. There's a switch on, off, and I'll switch it on. Okay, let's just turn it on. Let's see what it will do. Oh, it moves! Oh, hallelujah! Ooh! Oh, I love it! I will keep it for myself. Why give it to the cat? Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I'm just using with this. This will go until you stop it, but this one goes in the intermittently. Why give it to the cat? I'm using myself. I'm gonna get a dog for myself. Be careful, baby. There is a screwdriver on your way. Let's see. Let's go wide angle just to see what it will do. If I let it go forward. Slightly I want it turned. Oh, no, this way. Oh, we have a robot now. Oh, it's get on the edge, so you have to release it. So if you use this setting, if it goes slower and just kind of stop, well, steps. How can I disable the sound? I don't want it to scare the cat. It's coming back. Is there a way to silence it? Okay, probably. Oh no, there is no way. It plays. Plays music. I turned it, but P. Let's see. It's parked. P means parked. Oh, I have to press it again. That. I think it will scare the kitten. What do you think? I think it will scare him. Oh, I can make it sound lower. Let's see. Look at it. Look at it, what it does. Park. Oh my god, we have robots in our home now. But yeah, what a time we have seen. It would be nice if it could serve a coffee or tea. That will be a robot to serve something. That will make us really fatty boom boom after a while. Not doing anything. That's for lazy people. This is demo number 10 here in this list. So this is the functions, and this is the actual remote. And now let the turn the demo. Look at it. It went way out of the sight. It's on the demo. Okay, stop. When I picked it by hand, it made a noise. Now it is sitting. So, I want to use this alleyway just to make it acceptable by the kitten. So this is the alleyway. So, where the cats usually smell each other is at the bum. And a little bit face. And that's it. Let's just see what the effect will be when we have introduction done.